Hey up everybody, it's Gaz here from EnglishWithGaz.com. How are you doing today? Let me know in the comments below. In today's video, I'm going to explain this common English idiom. If you enjoy learning new English vocabulary, slang, idioms and phrases which we use every day in Britain, then this YouTube channel may be a great place for you. Start now by clicking the subscribe button and turning on notifications so you don't miss any of the videos I make for you. Let's jump into today's video. Today's idiom is to face the music. Face the music. This is a face, but in this context we're using the word face as a verb, as in something we can do. When we turn our face to something, this is facing something. So I may say that I am facing north. That's the direction I am facing. So, what does it mean to face the music, to turn towards the music? Let me give you an example. I know it was a mistake, but sooner or later, which means, well, you're going to have to do it eventually. I know it was a mistake, but sooner or later, you are going to have to face the music and tell your boss about it. Boss is a synonym of manager. Your boss. It's a very common way to describe our manager or our supervisor at work in the UK. So what does it mean to face the music? I know it was just a mistake, but sooner or later you're going to have to tell your boss and face the music. Well, it means you have to face reality. You made a mistake. Everybody makes mistakes. But your manager, your boss, will find out. So it's better to face the music and tell your manager before they find out and then come and give you a ruddy good telling off. So, to face the music, to conclude, means to deal with a difficult situation, to face reality when you have done something wrong or made a mistake. But it can be used in other ways as well, not just if you do something wrong or if you make a mistake. It can just be facing a difficult situation, like giving a presentation at school or university or work. You don't want to do it, but you have to face reality. You have to do it. So, face the music, get on with it, and do it. So there we go. Thank you very much for watching. I do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, check out the rest of my videos on my YouTube channel. I've already made lots of great idiom, vocabulary and vlogs to help you improve speaking English. Until the next time, stay safe, take care, and all the best. Bye for now.